Gabi ng Misteryo.
Thank you. Okay, so now, when does the nuclear war start? By whom? Really, boss? How?
I think he said artificial super intelligence.
I know what it said. Now shut up. So what the hell does that mean? Artificial intelligence. That is superior to human intelligence. Well, that's impossible. Inevitable.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Interview sa isang alien being sa sinasabing naging bihag ng mga otoridad yan sa Area 51 sa Nevada, USA noong 1964 at ito'y nasa ilalim nga ng sinasabi nilang Project Blue Book. Kumbaga itong video ito ipinuslit at ipinarating sa publiko. Napakatagal ng panahon, 1964 po yan, pero ang nakapagtataka ay kanyang binanggit ang maaring posibleng mangyari sa tao sa mga susunod na mga taon. At tulad nga ngayon, napag-uusapan ng tungkol sa nuclear war, ang posibleng nuclear war, o kaya ito pong paggamit ng artificial intelligence sa mundong ito. Sa paligid ko parang nag-iba agad yung energy. Maybe
may katabi ka na,
may katabi na ako.
Ray.
Ang sarap ng energy, Ma'am Jo, ha? Para kung binubuhusan ng ice.
Meron.
Ha? Ganyan pala energy na parang ang lamig-lamig. May aircon dito pero kakaiba yung lamig eh. Ha?
Their presence.
Talaga. Oo, yan ha.
Because their movement, they don't have distance, Ray. They work or they are connected to us in thought speed. No distance at all. Anytime now that we are talking about them, discussing about them, in the thought speed, they are here with us.
Pwede ba natin silang kausapin?
Yes po. So let us ask ET friends, if ever you have some information for everyone in this room, kindly channel them so we can be your mouthpiece. We can verbalize your messages for the humanity. Thank you.
Ayan. Sino makaka-receive ng message? Hindi ako pwede mag-channel.
Whoever can receive, yes po.
Ayan. Maybe you can receive messages from them. Anybody? Kuya Jade, did you receive any message right now?
They sent to Marie Chris, according. Marie Chris received daw.
Miss Marie Chris daw naka-receive. According to Ma'am Jo, nakita ni Ma'am Jo yung senyal eh. Ano message, Miss Marie Chris?
Kala ko makakaligtas.
Hindi ka makakaligtas. Matalas ang mata ni Dr. Jo.
Napili ka, Chris.
Oo nga. Actually, ang itsura niya is wearing silver. Long arms, long pointy fingers. Tapos, he's actually pointing at you. Tapos sabi niya,
at
you.
Me?
Oo.
Why
parang
me?
He's, yung galaw niya, he looks like he's reaching towards you.
Alright.
Tapos, sinasabi niya na masaya sila na napag-uusapan yung ganitong message. It's been a long time since they're trying to see that information.
Alright.
And ang gusto nilang i-highlight sa ngayon is not to harbor hate. Kasi what's happening right now, hate and fear is being harbored. Kumbaga parang na-exaggerate yung hate and fear through technologies. Right now, nasa AI part pa lang tayo, hindi pa nga siya super intelligence at this point. Pero right now, nakikita na natin how AI is evolving para takutin ng isa't isa, para mag-vibrate tayo lower. So we're moving away from the goal.
Ayun.
The goal is, according na rin sa mga nabanggit kanina, to vibrate higher. So hindi naman nila ine-encourage for us to move farther from our nature as human beings, kasi nga we are flesh. So iba yung vibration natin, iba yung frequency level natin, as they're saying. But sinasabi niya ngayon na parang there is high frequency in nature and we want to immerse ourselves with nature. Spend less time around gadgets that interfere with our electromagnetic force field.
So nasusuppress yung ating energy field because of these gadgets, ano?
Oo.
Iba nga, matutulog pala, nakatabi pa yung gadget.
Guilty rin ako dyan.
Oo nga, di ba dapat pag natutulog tayo, dapat naka-off lahat yung mga gadgets para hindi naman ma-disturbo yung ating pagtulog, ano? Saka delikado sa ating utak. Baka bigla tayong brain damage, right? Pwede mangyari yun, no? Oo.
Sandali, tutuloy ko lang yung sinasabi.
Sorry ho. Sorry po. Baka meron pa.
So, ang sinasabi niya dito is protect daw yung ating personal space.
Let's protect our personal space.
Yeah, yung ating
you can say it in English for the sake of Miss Priscilla.
So our alien friends here are saying that we need to protect our own space, our auric field, our electromagnetic field, as a being composed of mind, body, and spirit, because we have different frequency levels. So we need to nourish the body in order to nourish the mind and the spirit, so we can vibrate higher. So yun ang sinasabi.
Thank you.
Oo. And then ang sinasabi is also in relation dun sa video na the alleged Area 51. In alien interview.
Ano sabi nila?
We should not give the super intelligence or the AI part so much autonomy over our decision making and future political reign. So yun yung sinasabi.
Parang lumalabas tama pala yung mensahe nung ini-interview na alleged alien sa video.
Wow. He's saying na doon magsa-start yung doom natin when we are going to yield our decision making and our power as human beings to decide the fate of mankind and the whole planet. So, parang sa kabilang banda, while AI is helping us in other aspects like making our work
but we have
simpler,
to limit their abilities, their way.
Kailangan meron silang cap.
Ayun, ng ganun lang. Di na sosobra. Dapat kokontrolin natin, di sila kokontrol sa atin. Ayun. Na dapat na iparating sa tao ng mga alien being, mga extraterrestrial, mga divine being na maaring makapagliligtas sa atin kung ano man ang maaring mangyari sa ating buhay. At magbibigay din ng inspirasyon sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat, para tayo ay maging mabuhay na mapayapa, maiwasan na anumang dilubyo sa ating mundo. And ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay kung dapat nating, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat ay yung ating dapat na gawin para maisalba ang ating planeta mula sa tuluyang pagkasira. Yan ang pangunahing mensahe na talagang laging ipinagwawagwagan ng mga nilalang. Matuto tayong mahalin ang kalikasan, matuto tayong mahalin ang ating planeta. You can offer prayers. Wala namang mawawala niya. Flowers. They also burn incense. Diplomat Hotel? La North Cemetery.
inadvertently opened a portal to another dimension,